This is a video on using charcoal to create value scales with different techniques. First, draw 3 long rectangles about 1 inch by 5 inches. Divide it into 1-inch segments. So you'll draw 4 lines to make it 5 sections. Label the top one blending, the middle one cross hatching, and the bottom one tonal. Stop this video now, pause this video now to fill out the chart. Thank you. Now, I like to start with tonal, kind of just lightly use some vine charcoal to fill in 4 of the 5 sections. Using your finger or a paper towel, blend in to fill the square entirely. And if the color looks similar, add your vine charcoal and add just a little bit darker. And then for the darkest section, the last section, you'll use a piece of compressed charcoal to make that. And that's your tonal value scale. Stop, pause the video, and do your tonal value scale. Okay, now for cross-hatching, series of parallel lines. As you go in each section of the value scale, you add more and more lines that are parallel to each other, that cross to create the value scale. You can also, when you get to the last section, again, use some compressed charcoal to help make the value scale just a little darker at that end. Cross-hatching. Series of parallel lines that cross each other to create value. Okay, then the last one is blending. And even though you have it into sections, blending is what most artists use. They gradually blend from light to dark. So I'm putting down some vine charcoal, the softer little small pieces, adding some compressed charcoal. Remember, the compressed charcoal doesn't erase as well as the vine charcoal. You can put a little more vine charcoal in, blend it out. Again, you can use your fingertips or a paper towel. And then clean up the edges, sharpen the edges, and gradually it should go from light to dark. And you should see about 5 different steps from dark to light in your blending value scale. You can use your kneaded eraser. If it got too dark at the light end, you can lift a little bit and then blend it back to smooth it. Remember, your very first box is going to be left white to create your 5-step value scale.